The opportunity to have a lakefront home in Fort Wayne doesn't come often, and a lake where you can also boat, ski, jet ski, paddleboard, you name it, all the fun right here. Welcome to KEKIONGA Lake in the KEKIONGA Shores subdivision. This beautiful home is complete with open spaces that are exaggerated with cathedral ceilings and tons of natural light. The living room provides a perfect space to gather with a fantastic view of the water to enjoy year-round and a fireplace to keep you warm on the cooler months. Enjoy sipping coffee from the deck or head down to the water for a morning paddleboard around the lake. The kitchen offers plenty of storage space, Grabill custom cabinets, and a dining nook where you can grab a quick bite to eat. Bedrooms are all spacious with plenty of storage space to go around. If you love to entertain, the lower level will be perfect for you with lots of room for recreation and fun. If you need extra storage, there's plenty of space for that as well. Don't miss out on this gem. Give Ed McCutcheon a call today.